Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to solve this problem. First, let us apply rule 1. Here 12 is the divisor and it has two digits. Therefore, you have to consider two digits of the dividend from the left. Now, the number considered is 12, which is equal to the divisor 12. Therefore, you can divide. 12 ones are 12. You got 0 as the remainder. Now, let us apply rule 2. After subtraction, bring down only one digit from the dividend. So, bring down 0 here. Now, the number formed is 0, which is less than the divisor 12. Hence, you cannot divide. Therefore, please move on to rule 3. Now, let us apply rule 3. Here, the number formed is 0, which is less than the divisor 12. So, keep 0 in the quotient and bring down the next digit of the dividend. So, bring down the next digit 5 here. Now, the new number formed is 5, which is again less than the divisor 12. Hence, you cannot divide it. Therefore, keep 0 in the quotient and bring down the next digit. So, bring down 3 here. Now, the new number formed is 53, which is greater than the divisor 12. Hence, you can divide it. 12 fours are 48. You got 5 as the remainder and 1004 as the quotient. Observe here, you have divided the digits 1, 2 in the first step and you have divided the digits 0, 5 and 3 in the second step. So, you have divided all the digits of the given dividend. Hence, you can say this division is completed. Got it? Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths, and also please share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.